Hello and welcome to my channel where I share the stories of two young witches, Matilda and Josephine. I do art time lapses, I share my inspiration, and I share whatever comes into my head related to my art. So this is where I keep my artwork, in this folder. It is very advantageous to have miniature art because it's one little pocket to put these on. And this was actually my first painting that I did on YouTube, my first video of my art. Quite a lot of these I don't actually have videos for, and a lot of them I've sold as well, which I'm sad about. I'm not going to sell these anymore. I want to keep them. And I've done some of my portraits. That one I've got a video of, that one I've got a video of, and also that. But my problem is that I have run out of space, so I did need to get some more of these sleeves. And I did look on the internet and I found some sleeves, but then I thought actually it would be nice to have a nice new folder because this is a bit tatty and it doesn't really represent Matilda and Josephine. So I have got myself a new folder and I'm very excited. And this is it, complete in its plastic wrapping, because I thought I'd, it's an unboxing. I know it. Right, so this is rather gorgeous. And I chose the green because I thought it was sort of very witchy. It was Vault X. I don't know. I've not heard of them before, but this is really nice because it's got a zip. Very excited about it. Quite lovely. Oh, it's got a bit of plastic on it. There we go. Right. So what's really lovely about this is, for one, it's got side loading pockets, which are so useful for putting my paintings in, because the other ones had them going this way and it wasn't bad, but then it did sort of stick out and you sort of feel like they were going to fall out of the top sometimes. The other thing that's really lovely about this is you can have them on both sides. So I'm going to put my pictures in right now. So I'm going to start putting these in now because I've got document the moment. Right. So this folder is going to be just for Matilda and Josephine. It's got I think it's got 360 actual sleeves. I'm going to have certain themes on each page. So I don't know what I'm going to put on this one, but I think this bit is probably going to be Christmassy because I've got quite a lot of Christmas ones. And I actually have, so yeah, there we go. My first Christmas. She does it really badly. First Christmas one, get in there. Damage it first away. Oh, that is so nice. And I love the black background as well. I like in my portrait pictures. I don't know whether it's a lot in here. Yes, they do quite often have the black background because it helps with bringing the image to a bit more to the foreground. So I do like that. Another thing that I am going to do is I am going to get another one or maybe even two of these so I can put my animal art in one and my portrait art in one, which is a bit funny because there's like so many pages. I do feel like I'm going to have to do a lot more painting to fill them in. But, yeah. So, no, this is so good because this folder is just, it's not very attractive. So I'm just going to put this is painful. All of these in. I'm very happy. And then sort of put there. And look, it already looks so much nicer. Comparison there. Anyway, and also these have got quite dirty because I do move them around a lot. I used to sell these on eBay, so I would cut the bit out. That's why I've got like bits that have been cut out of these. So it really doesn't look very nice and you can see all the lines on them. So hopefully I'm not going to take these out of here. So anyway, back to the painstaking process of getting these out. So yeah, this is my Christmas area. Oh, I really do love the side. And they just seem to sit in there so much nicer. I just think they're so much flatter. This one was kind of all... It's because I've used it a lot. I mean, these come in and out. They are... I've had this probably for about 10 years, so it's not done badly. But yeah, I think this is a much nicer home for my witches. Anyway, so I've got to keep finding the winter ones. So I've got... Yeah, so I've got that one from my dad there. Ah, here we go. This doesn't have Matilda and Josephine in it, but it is a Matilda and Josephine one. So I'm going to put that. Oh, I keep forgetting that it's sideways. There we go. Oh, and I'm not in the corner. Yeah, so that one's there. Oh my goodness. God. Oh, I just think it looks so nice. It really does. It really has made a difference. I'm definitely going to get a second one. I just want to see. I'm not going to put my animal pictures in there, but I want to see what... Oh, where did I put them? Over here. I just want to see what my tiger... Oh, my tiger one looks like. And then I'm going to put it on a separate page. I'll try and put this in there. So... There we go. Yeah. Oh. That looks so much better. That really does look nice. Light. That's rubbish, isn't it? Put my thumb over that. Put my hand over that. Yeah, that looks really nice. Ah. I'm so happy. Anyway, he's not allowed in there. This is Matilda and Josephine only. I am going to get another one. I'm definitely going to get another one. I think for the moment I'm just going to get another one for the rest of my art. I'm obviously not going to get one for the portraits and the animals just yet, separately. Okay, so do I actually have any other? I do have another one because I did this one twice because I wanted to get a painting done and I couldn't. Where is it? There it is, right at the back, because I hid it because I didn't want to. So that's funny because that's actually not that many. I thought I had more Christmas ones, but should I put that one? I'll put this one down here. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna fill in. Oh, I do think they look so nice. So I'm gonna put the rest. Actually, yeah, I want to have that. I don't want to have like the front page because I want to put this one is. This one is, of course, my most precious one because it means a lot to me. See, that one is going to go in the center, right in the front, I think. If I can actually get them in there. There you go. There you go, Daddy. You're in there. All right. So, yeah, center stage. And then... what I'm going to do, make my life a lot easier, is just take them all out. Take them all out and put them on the table. There we go. There we go. Right. And now I have to do a lot more because I just realised I just don't have that many. I have a lot. I did used to sell a lot. I used to sell them on eBay. But... if anyone has ever sold anything on eBay, you know that once they take all the fees and everything else, you don't really make much unless you ask a lot. But it used to be fun. I used to do it on the auction style. And so it was nice to watch the biddings coming in. Right, oh, I lost that one. Oh, there we go. But I am going to sort of, as I go, I'm going to have to paint a lot more. But, oh, they do look so much nicer in there. That just looks really nice. I just wish, oh, the light shining on it is annoying, but it doesn't matter. Oh, it does look so much better. You can go like that. Don't be like a challenge. 360 paintings. So, I think, yeah, so I think I've got, that one was a Matilda and Josephine one, because it's a witchy front door one, and I've just noticed one that obviously I did recently, which is my dinosaur egg one. Oh gosh, and there are quite a few. Yay! So I like that one. Obviously, I like putting rainbows. And then that one. So these ones have videos on YouTube, I think. Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh, that's so funny how I suddenly find so many. And then the witches having their family reunion. And then we've got, oh my goodness. Oh. And then we've got Matilda and the Dove for Ukraine. I think I can say that this is a Matilda. I don't know, can I say this is a Matilda and Josephine one? I mean, it is. I think this was like the Wizard workshop or something. I'm not sure. And then I do have these little potion bottles. I wonder whether I should put those in. Because I love doing that. I remember I wrapped some, I think I wrapped some sort of golden wire around a little bottle. I don't know where the bottle's gone actually. Unless it was I got some miniature perfume bottles. Perhaps I shall put those in. I'm not sure whether I used the perfume bottle for that one. But I remember finding a little marble and sitting it next to it. But I don't have any images of that. This, yeah, that could be a potion bottle, couldn't it? That can get in. Oh my gosh, this is one of my favourites, and I think this one has had the most views of all the Matilda and Josephine ones, and I do think that's my favourite, I think, of all of them. Oh my gosh, I just started finding them. This was one that I did years ago. Tried to sell it on eBay, it didn't actually sell, funnily enough. Thank goodness for that. I did try and do a series of zodiac pictures, but I just didn't end up doing it. So I did the two. I think that's Leo and that's Gemini, I think. I'm not sure. I don't know. And I do believe, can we put her in? I think she counts as a witchy. So it has to be a witchy thing. Oh look, I didn't finish that one, and I probably never will. I think once I've abandoned a painting, I do find it hard to get back in. Oh, I found another one. Yay. So, yes. They're sneaking up. That one. Right, okay. So I think we are done. Oh, no. Aha. And this one, which is like the cats. I don't know. I did actually put a title on the back because that one was for sale as well a while back. The cat's whiskers. I'm not sure I like that one as much. I might. No, that's not going to go in. That's not enough. I don't even know if I count that really because it's a portrait one. No, I think the portraits have to go back in that folder. Sorry. Okay, so. I see this one is obviously going to be a Christmas one. So, I need to put it up here. Yes. Yay. Yeah, that's good. I really like this one. This was inspired by a trip to Sissinghurst Gardens. So I obviously need to do some more Christmas ones because that seems to be it on the Christmassy winter front. Put my knitting one. I think that was one of the first ones that I put a lot of detail into. Like the little cat paintings in the background and the cat playing with the wall. And there's always some drink on hand. Right. That one's in. Yeah, this one can go in the front. Okay. I'm going to put this one. This is When Potions Go Wrong. They shrunk themselves by mistake. Although, maybe I should change that. They did shrink themselves to go to this house. So maybe that's what they were doing in that one. So that should go next to it. But no, not today. Anyway, so I'm going to pop that one randomly here. And let me see. And then I need to have a page that is all just portrait size. Otherwise it's going to be annoying. So All of these can go in here. Oh, it's so nice having the black background. And then this one will probably go into sort of a more Halloween-y one. I did sell a few Halloween ones before. My voice is going. This one can go here. Right. And then this one here. Oh dear. And here. So I'm now going to go and just stare at this for a few hours because it does look so nice. I love the colours of these two next to each other. And the light shining on here. I need to have like a little matte bit of card that I can just put there. But, oops. Oh, that worked. Yes. Yeah, that looks really nice. Right, so I'm going to close that up and start painting 360 paintings. Oh, that is so nice. Yay. I'm a happy bunny. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. Do leave a like or a comment, and or both. Subscribe if you want to see more of my art, and see you next time.